Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve this workbook contains links to other data sources error. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Excel. This workbook contains links to other data sources error using 5 fixes. Solution 1. Restart the Excel application. Before exploring any advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel application. Many users have found this method useful in their cases to fix this error. Method 2. Copy the corrupted sheet data to a new workbook. Moving the old sheet data to a new Excel workbook is another easy trick to fix this error. To do this, open your corrupted sheet, select all the content using Ctrl+A keys. Then press Ctrl+C to copy them. After that, create a new workbook and paste the copied content using Ctrl+V keys to a new file. Solution 3. Disable links and external references in the worksheet. If your Excel file contains any external links that have been removed or renamed, it can lead to loading or processing issues and trigger this error. You can fix it by removing all the external links from the Excel file. For this, open the corrupted Excel file in Microsoft Excel and click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Data tab, and click on Edit Links. A new window with links used in the workbook will open. Select the links you want to modify or remove. To modify a link, click Change Source and browse for the correct source file. To remove a link, select it and click Break Link. After modifying or removing the links, close the Edit Links window and save the changes to the Excel file. Solution 4. Disable Update Links on Save option. The next solution you can try is disabling the Update Links on Save. To disable this option, open Excel Workbook, then go to the File. Next, click on Options, then Advanced. Scroll down to find the General section, and click on Web Options. In the Web Options window, go to the Files tab, and uncheck the Update Links on Save checkbox. Click on OK to save the applied changes. Solution 5. Use Excel Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this workbook contains links to other data sources error, then you can download the Excel Repair Tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about this workbook contains links to other data sources error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.